Hello, hello, hello. Hi. This is Amit, and I'm really excited that you have decided to join this webinar very soon. In this webinar, you are going to learn three major secrets that have been probably holding you back from getting the amount of sales and creating the income that you need to generate in your business. I'm going to be sharing the first secret, which is one of the most important secrets for you to know as to why sales is the easiest part of your business. And I'm sharing this with you because I have seen a lot of entrepreneurs and small business owners actually struggle with that. They go through a lot of challenges in their business just because they don't know how sales work. In this particular webinar, I'm going to truly lay out the process so that you will understand where sales are generated, how sales are generated, and how you can apply it in your business to make a huge change in your business. I cannot wait to share these secrets with you. So be there on time. And once you understand these secrets and apply this in your business, I cannot believe what magnificent changes are going to happen in your life. So be there, and I'm looking forward to having you on this webinar. Thank you.